Bring it back.
Good morning and welcome to the WPMN. My name is Jael.
And my name is Camilla. It's a fabulous day to be a Panther.
Panthers, are you interested in becoming a heritage cheerleader for next year?
JV and varsity cheer clinics start next week on Tuesday and tryouts will be on Thursday, May 2nd. Attendance is required in order to try out.
For more information, contact Ms. Sharon in the front office, Ms. Cook in Building 4, Room 220, or Ms. Smith in Building 6, Room 106.
Students and staff, our National Honor Society is sponsoring a book donation drive. The drive runs until Wednesday, May 15th. The drop-off location for your new or gently used books is the school cafeteria during all lunches.
Books will be distributed to those in need at University Park Elementary. Please make sure your new or gently used books are appropriate for grades K through 6.
Panthers, are you interested in buying a yearbook? Please stay tuned after the announcements and watch the yearbook promo clip.
Cambridge students, please make sure that you are aware of when your ACE exams are scheduled.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!
Hey Lily, why are you so sad?
Because I feel like I'm gonna forget all my memories from this school year.
Through this yearbook, you can have memories that last forever. You want to see?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's me from last year. And it's you. Wow.
Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Wynn, and this is...
Lily, and we're part of the yearbook team. Go get your yearbook at buytheyearbook.com. School ID 715242.